Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to cook an exotic and super delicious juicy goat head fry from Northeast India. This is my family's recipe and also one of the styles that we prefer in Northeast India. But before we proceed, let me tell you guys that chopping a goat head requires a certain level of expertise, which I don't have, so I'll take you to the shop at the butcher shop.
स्कूल के साथ ये करना भी है
हाँ
ना सुनो हाँ वो बड़ा
आगे बढ़ो
Without further ado, let's check out the ingredients that we need for this dish. Goat head, along with the brain, cumin seeds, salt, green chilies, turmeric powder, ginger, garlic, onions, and oil. Now let's start cooking. First of all, we will make a paste of ginger, garlic, green chilies, and add little water to it. Pound it into a paste. As a tip, since it's red meat, ginger has to be more than the garlic. Next, we have to dry roast our cumin seeds for a minute on a low flame. Add it to your grinder and pound it. Now open the lid of your grinder, add little water to it and pound it again into a fine paste. Now heat oil in a pan, add a generous amount. hot, add 2/3 of your chopped onion. Stir fry on a low flame until translucent. Now add only the brain. Gently cook it for 10 minutes. Take only the brain from the pan and keep aside. In the same pan, add your goat head pieces, turmeric powder, your ginger garlic chili paste and salt as per taste. Stir and open cook it for 10 minutes. Add your cumin paste, stir, cover and cook it further for 20 minutes. Don't forget to stir in between. Add your remaining onions now and open cook it until the dish completely dries up. Add 2 cups of water. Stir, cover and cook it for 30 to 40 minutes, occasionally stirring in between. Please ensure that the water has to dry and turn into a thick gravy which should smear on the goat head pieces. At this point, add your already fried brain. Add the gravy on top of it without moving it. Let it sit for a couple of minutes. Turn off the heat and our dish is ready to be served. Our dish is looking so yummy, and if you can see, the gravy is so beautifully smothered around the meat. And since it's a special recipe, I am going to try it with something special too and making it superlatively special. That's some sticky rice. But before that, I'm going to try the brain. I'm really slurping and drooling in here. Mmm. This is so soft, guys. And it's just falling apart, almost like a butter. Yoo-hoo. Hmm. Hmm. Oh my god. It's so silky and creamy, and the spices have not made it overpowering. That's why you should add it towards the last. Also avoid salt as much as possible. This is one of the most creamiest and silkiest food that's there for us to eat. Okay, I'm going to keep this aside and going to bring in my rice. Yes, it's sticky rice. Don't be jealous, as these days you get them online too. And I think most of the bigger online stores in India has sticky rice available, have sticky rice in their stores. Okay, yummy. Haha. And some cucumber sticks. It's super fresh. I always loved this dish since childhood with sticky rice, and since I had in store, why not? So, it's perfectly spiced, and the onions have made it slightly sweet, which adds a lovely texture too. And as I dig into the meat, right, it's slightly chewy and really gelatinous. I love licking onto this gravy, which is smothered so perfectly. The sticky rice has made this dish move to next level. You can choose some of the cartilages actually. Unlike the other red meat, this portion of the goat is really unique and has its own flavor. You can taste a lot of bone marrow, probably stuck somewhere in between the bones. So if you are wondering why I'm eating like this, you should prepare it, and I'm sure you'll be delighted by the slurps that and sounds that you will make while eating this dish. I'm actually feeling a little guilty because you are not getting to eat it, but I'm sure you'll give it a try after watching this recipe video, and I hope you are enjoying it as much as I am. I'm really delighted to share this recipe with you guys, and hope you have enjoyed this recipe as much as I did cooking and sharing with you people. So let me know in the comments about what you think, and if you have tried goat head, let me know that too, and what kind of recipes you have tried or variations. And also I will try to prepare another delicious goat recipe from Northeast India again, and definitely that's gonna be a different style. And as I continue eating this, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, I see that a lot of you are not subscribed to my channel, but then you consider watching my videos. So please go ahead and click on that red subscribe button, because it really motivates and supports, and also eliminates the inhibitions that people have about northeastern food. This is just perfect. One of the most perfect meals of 2020. Couldn't have asked for more from myself. Yeah, I'm really feeling proud at this point in time. So guys, I'll catch you soon on Friday with another new recipe. Thank you for watching this video so far. Mm.